In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fish in Destiny Rising. So in order to fish, I have in here this help article from Game Brand showing us how to fish on it. So to fish on your Destiny Rising, you need to complete the Go Fishing side mission in Chapter 2 to 3. You can talk to Pandora 7 in Heaven and follow the markers of the fishing spot in the city to equip a rod and bait, all provided by the extra merchant who loves Bon Voyage charms. So you can cast a line into the pond or click on it, then wait for the indicator to glow yellow. If it glow yellow, you can hook in to catch a regular fish or hold the bar by tapping continuously or pressing and holding on the screen to keep the fish hooked, making the fish stamina drop. Remember to have bait available and to control the fishing rod durability and keep on angling using this. So every time you fish, you will spend a charge of durability and fishing rod, so make sure to take note of that as well. But once you have done everything, you should be able to get some fishes on Destiny Rising. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.